What's up guys, Victor Suarez here with Electrical Assistance, the electrical contractor you want in your project for sure. Today we're going to be talking about Lutron Sunnata, the touch dimmer. I think it's an awesome addition for the Lutron repertoire that we have as electricians. Really like them. It's compatible with LED lights and a bunch of other things. So I think it really adds a really nice touch to the house. Okay, so you install this one. I'm going to show you how to do so. And hopefully at the end we get some lights. So let's start here. Lutron always does a good job and sends you instructions, right? In English, Spanish, and I believe it's in French too. They also send you some wire nuts and the screws that we need to use it. In case if you don't have any, you can definitely use these guys. And I'm going to show you what you gotta do. Okay. So this one's gonna be very simple. It's a single location, it's not a three-way, so it's fairly easy and fast to do it, okay? So one of the first things you wanna do, I did the whole wiring of this house, so I know which wire is the hot or, the switch leg or whatever, however you wanna call it. Okay, so I know that this is my hot wire. I got my switch leg over here, then I got my ground wire. Okay, so to start, the blue wire is only used if you're doing a three-way. Okay, so since this is a single location, we're just gonna cap it. We're gonna connect first. I like to do it like this. I'm gonna connect ground first. Since it's so big, the way that they strip it. Some people cut it, some don't. I just did this little loop here, put it on the wire, and then I just twist. Good way to know if it's safe, if it's there, you just pull a little bit. And if it doesn't come loose, you're good. Okay. Then I like to go to my switch leg, right? I just do a little measurement, cut it. Okay, you grab one of the blacks, doesn't matter. I guess application is not gonna matter. So I like to leave it, the dimmer wire passing a little bit, the solid. We're here in California, so you use Romex inside of the balls. So I like to leave it passing a little bit just so this will be catch first. It'll be caught first, and then it just goes. Okay, we test again. It's not coming loose. We're good. And then finally, you hook up your power. Make sure it's not coming loose, so we're good. So I can just put my wires back in the box. Here are the screws that they provided. Just put on your drill or your screwdriver, whatever you have. I'm gonna stop right there and you guys will see why in a little bit. The reason why I stopped there is because we're going to be installing one of these fancy guys over here. And the best way, in my opinion, to install them so they stay flush with the device that you're putting on the walls. Maybe it's a plug, maybe it's a switch, whatever it is. I like to leave them off of the wall for a little bit You know, like that. You get in here. You screw in your plate first. Okay, so now the plate's screwed in. I check to see if it's level. We'll make sure everything's leveled and plumbed. Right there for you guys. Leveled. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light off so the cameraman doesn't do me up today. So it's level. We just hold it. Screw. Let's double check again. And move just a tiny bit. You can fix it a little bit like that, so it's still level. Okay. Now all you do is put the plate. And there you go. You have a switch installed, your dimmer actually. And now we just have to test the lights. So the last touch on this whole thing, on the installing the dimmer, especially the Sunnata one from Lutron, I think it's a really nice touch from them to have this touch pad on the dimmer, so you can just go as you wish. And it's gonna either put the light all the way up, you know, full brightness, or you can just slide down with your finger and it dims.